your girl Day Ryan Dab, and I am back with another freaking video. I am back with another freaking video. Did y'all miss me? Did y'all miss me? Did y'all miss me? Because I missed y'all. But today, your girl is getting out the bed. It is like 3 o'clock. It's like 3 p.m. and I've been stuck in the bed lately. Y'all, I've been going through. Your girl be going through it, and guess what? It's time to not go through it no more. And I'm basically just about to clean my house. I'm about to take my tree away. Y'all, let me not. Y'all, my house is a mess, by the way. So it's a lot of stuff that I do need to clean. But this tree, y'all, look at my Christmas tree. I put my Christmas tree together for y'all. And guess what? I didn't even record. I didn't record because my storage was acting a mess. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn your bell notification button on. If you already haven't, come on now. If you already haven't did it, you better go do it right now. We about to just clean up. Y'all better just come with me while I clean up. I'm keeping this right on until I don't know when. But yeah, I got my nice stuff on still because I'm about to clean my house. I'm not getting dressed yet. I'm getting a shower afterwards and stuff. But yeah, we about to clean up. And I'm starting with the bathroom, y'all. Let's start with this bathroom. Look, I got so much stuff. Y'all. So let's get to this video. So right now, as y'all can see, I am in the bathroom, and we're gonna start with the bathroom first. Only because, I mean, why not start with the bathroom first? That's what needs the most attention. So yeah, we're gonna get all this stuff. And yeah, I will make sure I time lapse y'all. I'm gonna have to time lapse y'all through my video. I might stop at the store as well because I do have to get more tissue. I might just do a little self-care, a little hygiene, a little 1, 2, 1, 2. I might just go for like a house, you know, a little house thing or whatever. A house, we gonna say a home self-care day. That's what we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it a home self-care day. Home self-care day. So that's what we're doing. I'm about to just time lapse y'all and yeah, just watch me, I guess.
I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you're scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, I ain't your body, as long as you dreaming about me.
Hey y'all, so quick little intermission. I don't have everything. I need some paper towels and stuff. I should have did this before I started cleaning up, but I literally just got into it, so it don't matter. But I'm about to go to the store, and I'm about to go get some paper towels, probably some more rags, just some stuff to get from the store real quick. So I'm about to take a little quick store run real fast, and yeah, not too fast, not too much, like just some little quick, some little fast. So y'all don't come with me to go to the store real fast. I'm about to run to the store. I need to put on a coat or something I can put on real fast. I'm about to put on this jacket. We're about to just head out to the store real quick. And yeah, get some cleaning supplies and stuff. Y'all, I'm gonna do a Q&A for you guys one day. One of these days, I'm gonna do a Q&A for y'all, so y'all can. I mean, y'all already. I didn't already do like a Q&A before, but I don't know if it's deleted or not off my phone. But I'm gonna do a Q&A for you guys and stuff like that as well. But we finna go to the store real quick. Make a little quick store run. Lala, you coming with me? Lala, you coming? Come on. Come on, Stinky. So me and Lila finna go to the store real quick. Do a quick little store run. And yeah. Lala, not too much. Look at her. Y'all, Lala's tripping. Come on, get in the car. Hop in. I'm about to run to the store real quick and yeah. So we gonna get some paper towels. I don't know what to. I'm gonna get the big things. Yeah, I'm gonna get this. Get this and these. I think I want to get this. So yeah, I'm gonna get this. They just started playing music, so I don't want to get copyrighted. So got me a basket. Christmas app. I think, y'all, I think I like this chalkboard right here. I think I want to get it. Every time I get in the store, I'm always getting something that I shouldn't get. So yeah, I'm gonna pick Lila up some different food. She do have this already, but I'm gonna get her this instead. No, I think she do. I think she got this. I'm gonna get her this.
Straightforward, eyes on the climbing. I decide no matter the climate. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay it beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space. I need less voices, just you and me. I need your touch, not just scrutiny. Squeezing too tight, boy, you lose me. Boy, you lose.
So yeah, I done did most of my shopping. And yeah, I'm about to check out. Yes.
Next person down here. Yeah, just put these back there.
I got all of my bags and I spent $30. I left Lila in the car. She was cold in the car. She was cold in the car. Make sure my car turned on, boy. But hold on. So I spent $30 in a store. But we about to go home. I'm driving home. Lila, how was your day today? We was knocked out, y'all. The whole damn near the whole day we was knocked out. So Lila, tell them how you feel. Tell my vlog how you feel. You ain't feeling no way? Alright, cool. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get back in the house cleaning it up. I'm gonna show y'all what I got too. Y'all, I got a package too, so we're gonna see. We're gonna open the package up and see what this is. So your girl made it home. And whew, baby, it is piping hot in here. I did not expect it to be that hot. It was just freezing cold. But I got a package and I don't know what it is yet, so yeah. But what I got from the store, pine saw, a mesh strainer for the sink. I'm gonna have it in there. I got these scrubs. I got this peach and sweet for my, my air thing. And then I got some dish detergent because I don't have any more. And well, I'm on my last. I got some some tissue. 2 rolls of paper towels, the big one. So it's gonna last me for about like a couple days, like a week. I got these pink bags. They smell good, cherry blossom. I never knew they had pink, but we got pink now. Got Lila some new food. Lila, you like your food? You like your new food? You like your new food, mamas? You like your new food? And this is all the stuff that I got for $33. And this is a brief intermission as well, because I got a package. So we can open this up. It just say, oh, it say toothpaste. They sent me some toothpaste. I think they sent me some of this. Oh. It's a body aid toothpaste. So get on my TikTok. I don't know what kind of toothpaste this is. I'm gonna review it on my TikTok. So yeah. Back to the cleaning. Back to the cleaning. See y'all.
Problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying, I can't. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I?
My pipes. I don't know what it is when I was just trying to wash my dishes. My dang old pipes is leaking. Like, I can never be great. I can never be great, y'all. I swear. I can never be great in this house. Like, it's like I gotta be landlord. I gotta fix everything. I gotta do everything. Like, Jesus. Y'all, so I'm waiting on Don to come upstairs so he can help me. So he can help me figure out what's going on.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Ho, I got something that I could lend you. Ho, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed.
Please, I feel sick without you. Sick without you. My stomach do this turning, I feel sick without you.
You can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pim Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base.
Hey y'all, I'm back and your girl is done cleaning. It is finally clean here, like finally clean. Finally clean. So the living room clean as y'all can see, and the kitchen is clean. I put these up too. Bathroom clean. Period. All I have to do is, oh, and I put lights in the bathroom. Can y'all see? As y'all can see. Period. But I do have to clean my room still. I have to wash. I'm gonna wash tomorrow because it's late. As y'all can see, it's dark outside. So I'm gonna wash my clothes tomorrow and fold my clothes and stuff like that. I do have to go to the store and give me another bed frame, like the I got like the metal bed frame. I need to give me a new one because it's breaking or whatever. So I'm gonna go do that tomorrow too. But I do have to go to school for some makeup hours tomorrow as well. So stay tuned for that. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to hop in the shower. and I'm about to probably go in my room and like just straighten up a little bit because I did mess it up a little too much. But yeah. But thanks for cleaning with me, y'all. Thanks for cleaning with me. 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 I hope y'all enjoyed my video. This was just like a quick Sunday cleanup. You know, not quick because it took a while. I need to take my time to clean up and stuff like that. I need to scrub a lot of stuff and get everything fresh and clean. So, and that's what I did. I do want to paint my repaint my cabinets black, as well as put my cabinet doors back up. So stay tuned for them videos too, and stay tuned for my Christmas tree video, because as y'all can see, that Christmas tree ain't it. And baby, I'm about to remodel that whole Christmas tree. So stay tuned for that video. Stay tuned for more vlogs. Stay tuned for, you know, just be connected with me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all social medias, Facebook, Instagram, anything you want to follow me on, honestly. But without further ado, I just want to thank y'all for allowing me to be on YouTube, you know, just like allowing me to just be y'all entertainment, honestly. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.